Step 1. Take out the spare parts. The picture sequence numbers are 1. Bottom disk module, 2. Sphere module, 3. Spare lamp beads, 4. Receiving card, 5. Power supply, 6. Video processor, 7. Network cable extension interface, 8. Internal cable, 9. Power cord. Step 2. Install the module of the ball. For the fixing and transportation safety of the product, one of the balls removes several modules. In the module, the corresponding arrow is the upper half of the module, and the arrow is the lower half of the module. You can also see the expression of letters in the module. U represents the upper half, D represents the lower half, as shown by the arrow in the figure. Step 3. Lift the ball up. There is a lifting ring on the top of the ball. First fix the ball. Then remove the bottom base and install the disk module. Step 4. Connect the video processor. First plug in the video processor, then take out the HDMI cable and connect it to the computer, and then connect the network cable of the ball to the video processor. If the network cable is not long enough, you can use the network cable extension device to extend the network cable. Step 5. First open the LEDvision software. Add screen parameters to the software control options. According to the video steps, add screen parameters in turn. The resolution of the screen is W929*H463. Click Apply to save after completing the video content. Then close the window and add playback content to each screen option. Be sure to select the middle full screen in the playback content option. Repeat the above operations on screen 2 to realize the simultaneous playback of content by two spheres.